Good morning, student. Today topic is parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy is a excess, exceptional case of the true fertilization or syngamy. Means in the some plants without fertilization, development of the fruits take place inside the ovary. It is called parthenocarpy. Means development of the fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. And such fruits are called parthenocarpic fruits, which is developed without fertilization. Such fruits does not have seeds and embryo. They have only rapent type ovary. Example: banana, cucumber, grapes, and pineapples. Next topic is a seed. Seed may be defined as a rapent ovule. It is formed after the fertilization. It is developed inside the ovary. Means after the fertilization, you learn in the 10th class. Ovary consists of the embryo sac. Embryo sac consists of the egg cell and polar bodies. After the fertilization of the male gamete with egg cell to form the embryo, and second male gamete fuse with the polar body or secondary nucleus to form the endosperm, and complete ovule is converted into the seed and egg is converted into the zygote, and complete ovary is converted into the fruits. This is the complete process of the syngamy of fertilization. So seed may be defined as the rapent ovule. It is formed after the fertilization. It is developed inside the ovary. Part of the seed consists of the two parts: seed coat and embryo. Seed coat is the outermost covering of the seed. It develops from the integument of the ovule is called seed coat. Seed coat consists of the two layers. Outer layer of the seed coat is called testa. It is a thickened leathery layer, while the inner layer is called the tegument. It is a thin and papery layer. Seed developed from the unitegmic ovule. Means ovule which has only one integument is called unitegmic ovule, and when the seed is developed from the bitegmic ovule, or the ovule which consists of the two integuments is called bitegmic ovule. Seed remain attached to the ovary wall by the small short stalk called the seed stalk or funiculus. In some seeds, seed coat is continuous with the funiculus and form the small ridge like above the hilum, which is also known as raphe. Embryo is the part of the seed, may be defined as the baby plant enclosed within the seed coat. Means embryo is a small baby plant like structure which is present inside the seed coat. Embryo developed from the fertilized egg. Embryo have the diploid number of the chromosomes, which is the diploid phase of the plant, and embryo of the mature seed is differentiated in the following parts. Continuously, the parts of embryo mainly consist of the three parts: cotyledons, plumule, and radicle. Epicotyle and hypocotyle are also the part of the embryo which represent the plumule and radical tissue region of the embryo. Cotyledons, इन्हें आप दाने कह सकते हैं, जो दाने आप किसी सीड्स या फ्रूट्स में देखते हैं उन्हें आपने कोटिलेडन्स क्या या दाने कह सकते हैं. Cotyledons are the seed leaves and attached to the embryonic axis. It is the food storing tissue inside the seed. Means किसी सीड्स के अंदर जो कोटिलिडन्स होते हैं या पाए जाते हैं, यह फूड स्टोरेज का काम करते हैं एंड हेल्प इन द नरिशमेंट ऑफ द developing a germinating embryo. It is 2 in number in the dicots and 1 in number in the monocots. जिन प्लांटों की सीड्स में 2 दाने निकलते हैं उन्हें डाइकोट्स कहा जाता है, और जिन प्लांटों के सीड्स में 1 दाना निकलता है, 1 कोटिलिडन होता है, उसे मोनोकोट कहा जाता है. Epicotyle and plumule just above the point of the attachment of the cotyledons part of the embryonic axis is called epicotyle. Embryonic axis is the mid portion of the cotyledons where the cotyledons attached to upper part of the cotyledons attached to the embryonic axis is called epicotyle, and tip of the epicotyle have the specialized structure which is called the plumule. Plumule on germination to give rise the shoot of the baby plant. Hypocotyle and radical part of the embryonic axis which is located below the point of the attachment of the cotyledons is called the hypocotyle, and lower portion of the hypocotyle have the specialized structure is called radical, and germination of the radical give rise to the root of the new plant. These are the some basic structural part of the seed, and your seed is completed. On the basis of endosperm, seed are two types: endospermic and non-endospermic seed. If the endosperm present in the inside the seed is called endospermic seed. If the endosperm is not present inside the seed is called non-endospermic seed. Non-endospermic seed आपका wheat, gram, almond, pea and groundnut. On other hand, which store the endosperm are called endospermic seed. Cereals, grasses and castor are the example of endospermic seed. In the next class, we discussed about the dispersal of the fruits and seed by the different agency which transfer the fruit and seed from the main plant to the outside of the environment, in the atmosphere of the earth. Thank you.